Hey there! If you've been struggling with focus, memory retention, or overall mental clarity, then this video is for you. Today, I'm diving deep into MindQuell, a supplement that's gaining attention for its potential to boost cognitive function. I'll cover everything you need to know before making a decision, and I'll also give you two critical warnings, so stay tuned. First off, it's essential to note that MindQuell is only available on the official website. This is important because, unfortunately, there are counterfeit versions being sold elsewhere. To make sure you're getting the authentic product, I've left the official link down in the description and pinned it in the first comment. This ensures you not only get the original formula, but also have access to the manufacturer's guarantees. So, what is MindQuell, and does it really work? The short answer is yes, it does. Extensive research and testing have proven that its unique blend of natural ingredients is specifically designed to enhance memory, boost focus, and improve mental clarity. It combines powerful components like ginkgo biloba, known for its antioxidant properties that protect brain cells, and lion's mane mushroom, a well-documented nootropic that supports the growth of new nerve cells. These ingredients, along with other potent herbs like Bacopa monnieri, spirulina, and moringa, work together to give your brain the support it needs to perform at its best. But how exactly does MindQuell benefit you? Think of it as a comprehensive brain booster, ideal for students who need to retain vast amounts of information, professionals looking to increase productivity, or anyone wanting to stay mentally sharp as they age. The ingredients in MindQuell help improve neural communication, reduce oxidative stress in the brain, and support cognitive functions that are crucial for processing information efficiently. In short, it's a powerful ally for anyone looking to unlock their mental potential. And the best part, MindQuell comes with an incredible 365-day money-back guarantee. That's right, an entire year to try it out risk-free. This shows just how confident the brand is in their product. If at any point during that year you don't feel the cognitive improvements promised, or if you're not satisfied for any reason, you can simply reach out to their support team and request a full refund. There's no risk involved, and it's a fantastic opportunity to experience the benefits yourself without any worries. Now let's talk about how to use MindQuell effectively. The recommended dosage is 1 drop daily, ideally in the morning, mixed with your favorite drink. It's a quick and easy step to add to your morning routine, and by being consistent, you'll start noticing initial improvements within a few weeks. However, for the best results, a minimum usage of 3 months is suggested. This longer duration allows the natural ingredients to build up in your system, providing sustained cognitive support. Many users report feeling sharper, more focused, and mentally clearer after consistent use over several months. Another important thing to mention is that MindQuell is 100% natural and free from synthetic chemicals, GMOs, and artificial additives. It's designed with your health in mind, so you can take it daily without the worry of adverse side effects. Knowing that the supplement is safe and made with high-quality ingredients gives you peace of mind while focusing on improving your cognitive performance. I made this video not only to inform you about the benefits of MindQuell, but also to remind you of the importance of purchasing from the official site and following the recommended usage guidelines closely. Consistency is key. If you commit to using MindQuell as directed, you give your brain the best chance to absorb and utilize these powerful nutrients. If you're ready to take the next step toward improving your memory, focus, and overall mental clarity, check out the link in the description and the pinned comment. And before you go, don't forget to leave a comment below if you have any questions or want to share your experience with MindQuell. Also, give this video a like and subscribe to the channel for more health tips, supplement reviews, and ways to maximize your brain power. See you in the next video.